Hello guys, so today I have come up with a demo to show that you can subscribe a lot of variables to OPC server using a client, and still the client would work without breaking. So there is a misconception that with OPCA you can only subscribe to 10 or 20 variables, and anything more than that then your system would crash. So this is like an example, and also I'm going to share this example code to you as well. And I just quickly developed this, and this might be useful for you as well to understand how to develop a OPCA server and also OPCA client, and how to use subscription services to subscribe to variables. So what I've done is, on the right side that you're seeing is the OPCA server developed using Open 62541. So I just cloned it and I've not done anything special, and this is my WSL, and this on this left side is again an instance of WSL that would run the client, and then I have the Unified Automation UA Expert to show visually how to browse and what are the variables that has been created. So the specialty of this server is, so this server, sorry, I have to clear the window, and this server is like /server 10,000 is like it would create 10,000 variables, and if you click 1000 it would create 1000 variables, and I'm doing here 10,000 variables, and you can see here like it has created 10,000 variables with different kinds of data types, and also you can see visually here. So I'm connecting to it, and you can see a boolean folder, byte folder, data time folder, and for example, if I'm let me go into the in16 folder, so I will drop down one variable here, and you can see that this particular variable is also incrementing, so that when you subscribe you will continuously get callbacks. So I know UA Expert is a well established tool, and cannot show an example from a tool, so I'm just deleting this, and also I'm disconnecting it now, and I will show you this original demo using a client that I've developed. So I just built it with the name time server, but it is a recursive client. So let me also build it in front of you guys to say recursive client. And what this client would do is, I will also quickly show you the client code. So you can subscribe to an entire folder, so I've given as 40842. so what is 40842 is, I will show it to you visually. So in16 folder has the node ID 50842. So this is what I am entering in the folder ID here, and then I hit compile, and then you can see this callback being called every time there is a data change happening. But we are going to subscribe to a lot of variables, so the server is ready. So let me start the client, recursive client, and then I'm going to hit start, and you can see the amount of variables that it has subscribed, and I am creating a print every time there is a variable change that is happening. So you could also check it on the Wireshark trace to see like how the server is able to send back the data. So the data is changing every 1 second, and also you could also increase the frequency of the data change. And I will also put the server code in the GitHub, and you can get the server code and also try it by yourself. So this is running on my Windows PC and Windows subsystem for Linux, and also you can test it on any other ARM platform or embedded devices. And I'm pretty sure that if you have enough processing power to do these kind of these amount of variables, then for sure it is going to work. For example, if you are going to run on a very small embedded systems with very little processing power, then it's not about OPCA, but it's your processing power that would make the subscription fail. So you can see here like I'm stopping the client just to show like every time you can see all these variables are being printed, and also you can do various tests. And this one for this client code that I'm sharing to you is was tested well, and it has been working for quite some time, but just in case you can say that this is not going to work or is it crashing, please do let me know, and as a community we will fix it and see like how we can make it a better solution. But this is a simple example to show you that it can subscribe to 1000 plus variables and still OPCA is not breaking because there is enough processing power, and also this can work on even smaller targets which has been verified already. Thank you, and please check the comments to get the code for this particular client and this particular server. And obviously if you want to check them visually, you can, there are many clients in the market where you can take it and use it to see visually. You can browse and check these details as well. Thanks for watching this video, and please post your views and comments, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye.